everyone, it's Jessica here and welcome back to another card making tutorial. Today I'm super excited to share the new StazOn Pigment inks with you. If you are familiar with StazOn or StazOn Opaque, then you'll know how great the new StazOn Pigment ink pads work on non-porous surfaces. You can stamp on acetate, metal, glass, but they also work great on paper and vellum, which is what I'll be sharing with you today. One thing I love about the new StazOn Pigment ink pads is that you can use them right away. Unlike the StazOn Opaque, you don't have to re-ink them every time before you stamp, so it's definitely more time and cost effective. Another thing that I'm really excited about is that these pigment inks dry instantly on paper, which is awesome because I like the opaqueness and fine line details that pigment inks have to offer, but I also have to be extra careful for the ink to not smear before it dries. Well, these pigment inks are basically smear proof, so you get the best of both worlds. I find that even on vellum it dries fairly quickly, usually between 5 to 10 seconds, which is still really quick considering how it usually takes hours for other pigment inks to dry. This is a sentiment I stamped before using VersaFine Clear, and you can see that by the time it dries it also bled quite a bit. So unless you're going to heat emboss it, I highly recommend using StazOn Pigment with Vellum. Finally, I adhere some embellishments with on-point glue and the card is finished. For stamp cleaning, don't forget to use our StazOn cleaner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the new StazOn Pigment ink pads and are inspired to try them on different mediums. Until then, happy stamping!